Hello student, let's try to see the chapter student. What is this one? The chapter is haloalkane and haloarine student. Right. So if you talk about haloalkane and haloarine, so halogen substituted alkane is called haloalkane and halogen substituted arenes are called haloarenes. Now see the replacement of hydrogen atom in an aliphatic or aromatic hydrocarbon by halogen atom results in the formation of alkyl halide, that is haloalkane, and aryl halide haloarenes respectively. Haloalkanes contain a halogen atom attached to sp3 hybrid carbon atom of alkyl halide, whereas haloarenes contain halogen atom attached to sp2 hybrid carbon atom of aryl halide. Many halogen containing organic compounds occur in nature, and some of these are chemically useful. These classes of compounds find wider application in industry as well as in day-to-day life. They are used as a solvent for relatively non-polar compounds and as starting material for the synthesis of wide range of organic compound. Chlorine containing antibiotic chloramphenicol produced by microorganism is very effective for treatment of typhoid fever. Our body produces iodine containing hormones, that is thyroxine, the deficiency of which causes disease called goiter. Synthetic halogen compound by chloroquine is used for treatment of the malaria. Halothane is used as an anesthetic during the surgery. Certain fully fluorinated compounds are being considered as the potential blood substituent in surgery. In this unit, you will study the important methods of preparation, physical and chemical properties, uses halogen compound. So the first one we are going to classification of halogen compound student on the basis of number of halogen atom. So on the basis of a number of halogen atom, these may be classified as mono, di, poly, tri, tetra, etc. compound depending on whether they contain one, two, or more halogen atom in their structure. Suppose this is one halogen, so monohaloalkane, dihaloalkane, trihaloalkane, monohaloarine, dihaloarine, trihaloarine. So monohaloalkanes may further be classified according to hybridization of the carbon atom in which the halogen is bonded as discussed is student. Compound containing sp3cx bond, this is there. So first one is alkyl halide or the haloalkane student. Second one is the allylic halide and third one is benzylic halide. These are there. So in all the cases, it is attached with the sp3 hybrid carbon. You see here, in alkyl halide, the halogen atom is bonded to an alkyl group R. They form homologous series represented by CnH2n plus X. They are further classified as primary, secondary, or tertiary to the nature of carbon to which halogen attached. If the halogen is attached to primary carbon atom in alkyl halide, the alkyl halide is called primary alkyl halide or 1-degree alkyl halide. Similarly, if halogen is attached to secondary or tertiary carbon atom, the alkyl halide is called secondary alkyl halide and tertiary alkyl halide respectively. Now, we are talking about allylic halide. Okay. So these are the compound in which the halogen atom is bonded to an sp3 hybridized carbon atom adjacent to carbon-carbon double bond. This is allylic halide. Benzylic halide, these are the compound in which the halogen atom is bonded to an sp3 hybrid carbon atom attached to the aromatic ring. Next one, compound containing sp2cx bond. So these include what is vinyl halide. These are the compound in which the halogen atom is bonded to sp2 hybrid carbon atom to carbon-carbon double bond. Aryl halide, these are the compound in which the halogen atom is directly bonded to sp2 hybrid carbon atom of an benzene ring. Now we need to study the nomenclature. Having learned the classification of halogenated compound, let us now learn how these are named. The compound named of alkyl halide are derived by the naming of the alkyl group, followed by naming of halide. In the IPAC system of nomenclature, alkyl halide are named as substituted hydrocarbon for mono halogen substituted derivative of benzene. Common and IUPAC name are these are same. For halogen derivative, the prefix artho, meta, para are used in the common system, but in IUPAC system, as you have learned in the class 11, the number 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4 are used. Okay, here you see student artho, para, meta, how we are using here. For halogen derivative, the prefix artho, meta, para are used in common system, but in IUPAC 1, 2, 1, 3 they are used. Okay, so keep in mind student, here is N-propyl bromide, 1 bromopropane, isopropyl chloride, 2 chloropropane, isobutyl chloride, 1, 2 dimethyl propane. Similarly, bromobenzene, meta dibromobenzene, 1, 3 dibromobenzene. Sim tribromobenzene, 135 tribromobenzene, 1 chloro, 2 dimethyl propane, 2 bromopropane. Here you see the dihaloalkanes having the same type of halogen atom are named as alkylidene. The dihaloalkane having same type of halogen atom are named as alkylidene or alkylene dihalide. The dihalo compound having both the halogen atom further classified as geminal halide or gem dihalide, whereas both the halogen atom are present to the same carbon atom of the chain and vicinal dihalide या vis dihalide. When halogen atom are present an adjacent carbon atom in the common name system, gem dihalide is named as alkylidene halide and vis dihalide are named as alkylene dihalide. They are named, see here, ethylidene chloride. This is common name, gem dihalide. Ethylene dichloride, vicinal dihalide. So 1 dichloro ethane, 1 dichloromethane. Some common example of they are here student that we are going to study. Thank you very much for watching.